Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Hellenic Bank. First, you have to open your Google web browser and in the top of the search, you have to type Hellenic Bank and just enter it. And you can see from the search results, there are a lot of options. You can simply select the login business right over here and it will get you into an interface like this. And you have to simply enter your informations below to log in. So first write your username and your business ID and also your password. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. And after that, you have to simply click on this login icon over here and that is it. That is it guys, and after that you can log into Hellenic Bank account. Thank you for watching this video and also do subscribe.